Love your parents. Here, I want to talk about the most important people in our life. Our parents. They are the heroes who have given us life, love, and support without condition. Our parents have sacrificed so much for us, from their time, energy, and money, just to make us happy and successful. They have been our role models, showing us how to be good people, how to work hard, and how to face life challenges. But often we forget to thank them and to appreciate their sacrifices and to give them the love and attention they need. So today I want to ask you all to appreciate your parents, to thank them, and to give them the love and attention they deserve. Because at the end of the day, our parents are the most precious treasure in our life. Thank you, Mom and Dad. Ang pagkalog na to po as a motivation. Back to you and see you next time.